1, 2, 2.5. Hey guys, I don't know say Dems
And that.
here with another video. Yeah, that the kind of lame a while ago, but not your face still, I don't know say how the intro work on. So as you can notice guys, we have a big balloon back here, we have another big balloon right here so beside me, because in today's video we will be finding out what gender baby we'll be having, and of course there's no better person to share it with than you guys. Absolutely, our wonderful subscribers and our wonderful viewers. We see those subscribers count going up, and we really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. But before we jump into the video still, I just want to say, if you are here because you see the title and it says we're having twins, let me just begin by saying we are not having twins.
Oh.
Yeah, we are not having twins, guys. Sorry to disappoint you guys, but I hope you guys stick it out and watch the full video, of course. Comment, of course, before we pop the balloon and we find out. As we said, we don't know what gender baby we are
having. So you guys will be finding out same time as us.
Exactly. All of us find out at the same time, right? So leave a comment. We could know what kind of gender you guys think we are having based on the shape of our belly. We know say Jamaican people have a little thing when they say for belly turn downward is a boy, for belly turn upward is a girl. I don't know anything really though, but comment and let me know what kind of baby you think you guys think that we're having. Before we pop the balloon, we just want to talk a little, right? Like wife and I have been talking and we say, oh, there's really a lot of difference in terms of being pregnant in Jamaica and also being pregnant in Canada. What is the big difference, and also any similarities, or what's the main thing like in terms of being pregnant in Jamaica versus being pregnant in Canada? So what does it mean?
Firstly, for me, being pregnant in Canada, in terms of food, let me just jump to the food part. It's hard being pregnant here in Canada because I can't get the stuff that I want or crave for, like mango. Yes, people crave mango. Tambourine.
But I can't get mango, yes, so just
it's not the same, you know, it's exactly so why
so I'm making rice on the mango in Canada.
Mango in Canada. Or then the push buttons the mango what me you want. And tambourine, sour tambourine, you know them way there? You know them fruit, them something there? So that part, yeah, I can't get stuff that I crave. I can't get me green banana, them stuff there, and a regular. So the food difference is really a big difference being here in Canada.
And for me, people, one of the biggest difference maker was the expenses that comes with being pregnant, right? Like in Jamaica when you're pregnant, everything costs money. Not to say it don't cost money in Canada, because obviously you pay taxes and stuff like that, and it covers, like you come from somewhere, right? But it doesn't necessarily cost you, the individual, out of your pocket. Like in Jamaica, every blood test you have to pay up front, every ultrasound you have to pay up front, every doctor visit every month you have to pay up front. The only thing we probably get from the government is when you're going on public hospital to have baby, right? But right here, so it's kind of different, because ultrasound, basically provincial health covered that, doctor visit covered, blood test covered. So up to this point, you don't really spend $1 out of your pocket,
Not
really.
$1.
Not $1.
Difference what I found out is that they have a test to see if they have a test where you can do it the first trimester to see if the baby is going to have Down syndrome. In Jamaica, it's just when the baby is born.
Yeah, I feel it.
Yeah,
I
so
feel it.
everything is okay.
Yeah, so that's a good thing as well. And here the thing, that is usually done in our first trimester, as Nat said. And it is usually encouraged that if you find out that the baby have Down syndrome to terminate the pregnancy. So that is kind of good or bad. It depends on how you look at it, right? It depends on how you look at it.
So babes, what kind of baby, which gender baby you want?
You know, to be honest, I don't really want to be that guy. But gender don't really matter to me.
What you prefer?
Hold on, I'm going to answer your question. ultimately, I just want an healthy child, and then that is first. And then if I had a choice between boy or girl, as I put it, I don't want to sound mushy still, but I want another daughter, you know, because
Why?
you understand? I
Why?
want another daughter, man. I don't know if it's because of it, Malika kind of melt my heart a certain way and things. So, but I feel like I'm a girl dad. I'm not a grown up kind of people. I feel like I am a girl dad. In terms of, I don't know, she just let me soft, yeah, man. So, it's that level of softness and affection and love there I have for my daughter. Not to say that having a son, I will kind of like be less loving and stuff like that, but I don't know. I think that connection with my daughter right now, I think it's easier to form that connection with another girl than with a son right now. So, would I probably say another girl? Nuts.
Yes.
First question.
What?
How does it feel being pregnant?
Really?
Yeah.
How does it feel to have a child growing inside of me? It feels good. The kicks and all of that feels really good. The only part I don't like is when I used to get sick. But that's it.
That's it? Okay, so if you had a choice, a boy or a girl or twins,
No, no twins.
what would you want?
I would prefer a boy.
Why?
Why? Because I always think I always wanted a boy and a girl. Two children, boy and a girl. So I have the girl already, so I want the boy next.
A fairy tale thing I
It's not a fairy tale thing. It's just I just want a boy. That's it.
Then supposed to get a girl.
I'm happy still.
So do you think it's a girl or a boy?
I think it's a boy.
You want bet?
I did this already. It never worked out in my favor.
So question is, if it's a boy and you get a girl and a boy, would you go again for another one?
No.
They're supposed to get two girls, you know what I said?
No. No. I'm not going to do this again. Sorry.
Okay.
No.
Moment of truth, everybody. It's time to find out if we have a boy or a girl. Where one is?
Boy. Nervous. I'm so nervous.
A boy or a girl?
Boy.
Where we come from?
I'll go to tree.
I got the tree?
Yeah.
Count. Let's count.
Salt and pepper.
Ah. One. Two. 2.5. 2 3/4. Having a girl, how do you feel?
I don't know.
That's what I feel.
What do you feel?
Yo, I'm glad. Yo, I'm glad. Yeah, I'm so.
Come, mama. Come in, mama.
Yeah, because I burst the balloon, people, she's just crying. But I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy. As I said, I feel like I'm a girl dad. And
You're officially a girl dad.
I'm officially a girl dad. Thank you guys so much, guys, for be sticking it out with us. You're gonna have a little sister. You're gonna come and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking it out with us on this journey, our YouTube journey. We see those subscriber count going up. Thank you guys for subscribing. People, if you haven't subscribed already, please go and go subscribe. It really helps us out. We really appreciate it. I am so happy. I am so glad. Today is one of the happiest days of my life. Big up on yourself. Give thanks. Until the next video.